Hello everyone, and welcome in Sister Moni's Cuisine, and Merry Christmas, Happy Holiday. This is my holiday rice. This is the original. This is the black mushroom that I let it stay in the water, and then I'm boiling it. And then after I boiling it, I blend it, and I'm gonna strain it. But sometimes you don't have to strain it. So yeah, I'm teaching my son how to make this rice because he wanted to. So I put oil. He put oil, and he's gonna put. This is the dry mushroom, dry shrimp. They call it treachery in my culture. So it's gonna give the rice so much flavor, and you can go ahead and cook this rice for this holiday, okay? And it's gonna be tasty. So after that, it's gonna put the.
Don't play. You already knew what this was. You slide in late like nothing happened. Same old grin like we still magic. You say you miss the way I move, but never stayed to see it through. I let you in, you let it fade. We always dance around the blame. Call me up just to hear my tone, but I ain't here.
Wash the rice, and then make sure you taste it if you have enough salt. So, and then mix it. And then after I mix it, it's gonna let it cook. So if it's a white rice, when you put the spoon, it's gonna stand, so it's not gonna make your rice soupy. But because it's brown rice, so yeah, after it's dry and it's covered with a paper wax, and then it's gonna let it cook. It's gonna take like 15 to 20 minutes, and cover it, and now it's cooked. So yeah, I put some bell pepper. I did not record that, so just to give the rice some flavor and make it colorful. And here you go, family. This is the rice. So go ahead and make it. Jesus love you. Bye.